Have you ever tried crunchy boba? So crunchy boba is not really boba. Boba is made from tapioca starch, which makes it chewy. This crunchy boba is called agar boba, but it's not made with agar. Agar is a plant-based gelatin made from seaweed. I remember my mom making gelatin desserts using agar in the Philippines when I was a kid, but apparently this agar boba is made with cognac, which is a starchy root. They're two completely different things. Confusions aside, I like to have this instead of boba once in a while. It's got a semi-chewy and crunchy bite to it. A bunch of boba shops now are starting to offer half boba, half agar. So next time you visit a boba shop that offers it, try it and let me know how you liked it.